A conversation between Mia and Jack discuss semester, language learning, and future career goals. Let's get started.
Hi Jack, how's it going?
Hey Mia, it's going well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing pretty well, thanks. So, how's your semester going so far?
It's been pretty busy. I have a lot of assignments and projects due soon, so I've been trying to stay on top of everything. How about you?
Same here. I have a bunch of papers and exams coming up, so I've been spending a lot of time studying.
What classes are you taking this semester?
I'm taking psychology, sociology, and Spanish. How about you?
I'm taking calculus, physics, and computer science. It's been pretty challenging, but I'm learning a lot.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I'm finding sociology really interesting, but it's also a lot of work.
Yeah, I can imagine. I'm finding calculus pretty tough, but I know it's an important subject to master if I want to pursue a career in STEM.
That's true. I'm taking Spanish because I'm planning to study abroad in Spain next year, so I want to be prepared.
That's really cool. Where in Spain are you planning to study?
I'm thinking about studying in Barcelona. It seems like a really vibrant city with a lot of cultural and historical significance.
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to visit Spain. Maybe I'll come visit you while you're there.
That would be great. We could explore the city together and practice our Spanish.
Definitely. Speaking of language learning, have you heard about the new language learning app that just came out?
No, I haven't. What's it called?
It's called Lingua. It uses artificial intelligence to personalize language learning and make it more effective.
That sounds really interesting. Have you tried it out yet?
Yeah, I have. I've been using it to learn French, and I've found it to be really helpful.
That's great to hear. I'll have to check it out myself.
Definitely. So, do you have any plans for the summer?
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing an internship in psychology. I haven't found one yet, but I'm still looking.
That's awesome. I'm planning to do some traveling with my family. We're thinking about going to Japan.
That sounds amazing. Japan is such a unique and fascinating country.
Yeah, I can't wait. We're planning to visit Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka.
You'll have to tell me all about it when you get back.
For sure. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read and write. I'm also really into yoga and meditation.
That's cool. I like to play video games and go hiking.
That's a good combination. You can get some exercise from hiking and then relax with video games afterward.
Yeah, it's a nice balance. So, what do you think you want to do after you graduate?
I'm not really sure yet. I'm thinking about going to grad school, but I haven't decided on a specific field.
I'm thinking about going into computer science or engineering. I think there are a lot of interesting opportunities in those fields.
Personally, I'm also interested in exploring careers in the nonprofit sector, specifically in social justice or environmental advocacy. I feel like there is a lot of work to be done in those areas and it would be fulfilling to contribute to that work.
That's really cool. It's great to have a sense of purpose and to want to make a positive impact on the world.
Thanks, I feel like it's important to use my skills and education to make a difference.
I totally agree. So, do Do you have any tips for staying focused and motivated during the semester?
Yeah, one thing that helps me is breaking down my goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. It can be overwhelming to think about a huge project or exam, but if I break it down into smaller steps, it feels more doable.
That's a good idea. I also find it helpful to schedule my time and make to-do lists. That way, I know exactly what I need to do and when I need to do it.
Yes, I do that too. And I try to take breaks and do things I enjoy, like reading or yoga, so that I don't burn out.
That's smart. Well, it was great chatting with you, Mia. Good luck with the rest of the semester.
You too, Jack. Let's catch up again soon.